So we're going to talk about how to record your screen and how to download the software. So if you could please follow along and pay attention to make this process go smooth. Let's remove out headphones and all that good stuff. Okay? So what I want you to do is up here in your search box. So I took over Jesse's screen. Up here in this search box, which I just learned, is called an omnibox. Fun fact of your day. Up there, I want you to search Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic. Okay? It's going to look like this. Screencast-O-Matic. Please don't click unless I say to click. It makes the process much smoother if I don't have to backtrack. Jose, can we get there, please? All right, so go ahead and click on that top link to get you a screen that looks like this. What's this for? This is a great question. So Screencast-O-Matic, what it's going to do is it's going to allow you to record your screen. So for example, right now, I'm recording my screen giving this lesson so I can upload it for the kids that are gone. I think this is a great tool. You will probably need to know something similar in the future for college or whatever. Some examples of how I use it. So I use this every day in my Photoshop class to record my lessons so that if a kid misses, they don't get behind because they can go back and watch the lesson. I've recorded it for this class. Again, same thing, just quick tutorials for you to use in future projects. For instance, when I'm on leave, there are some tutorials out there for you so that it just kind of helps my sub for the class. In college or for my grad school, since it was all online, I had to do a lot of screen recording of presentations so that I could, it was online, so there was no way for me to present for my professor in person. This was how I presented for her or him. All right, so right now I need everyone's on the screen. Alondra, you need to get, you're already there, but I need you to go back to, just get on the other tab. You're going to click sign up. It's free. Shh. Sign up. It's free. Again, we're not clicking unless I say click. You're going to say, I've got 3 of you that have really slow computers. I'm like watching your monitors over on my other screen. Okay, you're going to say sign up with Google. And it's going to pull in your GS account, which is correct. And you're going to click on that GS account. And it's pull in your first and last name. I agree. And create account. Okay, some of you, the screen may look a little bit different. And that's okay. I'm guessing that they're starting to transition over their platform. So if you get a screen that looks different, that's okay. You're going to say launch recorder up here in the upper right hand corner. If your screen does not look like mine, yours says start recorder. It's like over on the left hand side. So launch recorder. And down here at the bottom, it's going to be downloading the download to be able to screen record. Okay, do you guys see like this green? It says click web launcher recorder. Click on that little right guy right there. The bottom part of your screen. And then just wait. Click one time and then wait. And it's going to pull across your download. And be patient. Okay, and you're good if you get a screen that looks like this. Anybody not getting a screen that looks like this? Okay. Okay, so when you get a screen like this, you should see your record options here. So this is why I like this application, because you can record just your screen like what we're doing. You can record from a webcam, or you can record both. So if you've ever seen like those presentations where the speaker's in the lower corner, that's how you can do that, and that's what I had to do a lot for my grad school stuff. You don't have cameras on these computers, but I have webcams available. Okay, so in the free version, the max presentation time is 15 minutes, which not a problem. Most of you will be 30 seconds. Size, I want you everyone to click on size and say full screen. Actually, I take that back. Don't say full screen. Go back to 720p real quick. I forgot there was a little issue with that last hour. Not today, guys. Thank you. Go back to 720p. And I want you to use the handles to actually do this on your own. Stretch it so that you don't go down and show your bar. So just stop right, if you look down on my screen down here, stop right before your window bar. Okay. The sides, stretch it all the way to the side, all the way to the edges. Okay. Narration, so for example, if you look back here, and that's why, if it kind of makes some noise, it's my microphone. I have a microphone right now that I'm recording through. You guys don't have sound, so it's not a big deal. Okay, I'm going to hit the X here, but not cancel. I'm just going to hit the X up here. And I'm going to jump on over to my presentation, my stop motion. And now is the time that I want you to pause and just look at my screen to see how to record. Okay? Hit the X next to record. Yep, right there. Now jump on over to your stop motion. Okay, so let me show you what you are going to be doing. You're not doing this right now, we're just watching. She's going to hit present, and you'll see down here her record is still hanging out, which is good. She's going to hit record and then move her mouse off the screen a little bit. And I learned first hour that you can't use your arrow keys for some reason, or your space bar. You have to click with your mouse. So you're going to click and go through your presentation. I'm not going to go through the whole thing because I don't want to ruin her surprise. Okay, when you get finished, Alt-P, that is your best friend. Everyone repeat after me, Alt-P. Hover over Alt and P on your keyboard. Don't push them, but hover over them. This is how, instead of having to come over here and hit pause, she's going to hit Alt-P, and that pauses the recording for me. So she has a 30-second recording. From here, again, eyes on my screen, you're going to say done. Save and upload. Okay, give it a second to build itself. Then she's going to say save as video file. So done, save upload, save as video file. Then over on my whiteboard I have these 4 categories listed. She's going to leave the type as MP4. She's going to name them her last name, first name, stop motion. And I'm going to put test in here since it's a test for her. We're just testing it out. The folder, she's going to click browse. So follow, I have these written out on the screen. Browse, OneDrive. Let me do this again. Browse, OneDrive, multimedia, OK. Cursor, no cursor. That's really, really important that you say no cursor. Because, when you go to watch this tutorial that I'm making, I'm going to leave my cursor highlighted so you can see exactly where I clicked. It puts a big yellow circle around it. We do not want this. That's not good. Okay, and then she'll say publish. And that's going to save this little quick video to her multimedia design folder and her OneDrive folder on her computer. Now, everyone come back and join me. Go to your Google Classroom. From here, click on the Google Apps. Everyone do this, even if you're not ready to go. Click YouTube. You guys are all going to become YouTubers today. Okay? Everyone on YouTube? All right. Over here in the upper right-hand corner, click on the circle with your initial in it. Or if you have a picture. We're going to say create a channel. Guys, you're going to be fine. Nobody will be able to see this unless you're sharing out your link. Like and subscribe to your channel. I'll do it. I'll like and subscribe to you. Don't worry. Like and subscribe to your school account. Okay? You're going to say get started. Over here on the left-hand side where it says your first and last name, that's the side that you're going to say select. Scroll to the bottom. Say set up later. Okay? You're good. It's fine. All right. So from here, again, look on my screen. When it comes time for you to upload your video, you're going to say create a video or post, upload video. Okay, made me click on that. Select a file. She's going to go out to her multimedia design folder. There's her stop motion. Open. I'm not going to post this, Jesse, don't worry, but I want you guys to just see the couple of settings. Title, you can leave it your title that you gave it for the file name with your last name, first name, or you could give it she could go in and name it soup, if that's what she wanted to do. Don't worry about describing your video. It's going to make you say an audience. You're going to say, no, it's not made for kids. Because it's not like a kid-oriented video. It's not. So I was reading up on this. The made for kids stuff is like learning your ABCs and 1, 2, 3s and that sort of thing. This is not that video. So no, it's not made for kids. Next. Next. Publish now. You have to expand and say public. And then she'll say publish when she's ready. Okay? And then tomorrow we're going to add these all to the same playlist, so it'll all be in one spot. All right? And I'll help you do that tomorrow, and I'll help you turn it in tomorrow as well. So today what you need to do is record your stop motion, upload it to YouTube, and then we'll be good to go. All right?